Hey everyone, welcome to the second part of the tutorial where we explore how to build working software by describing what we want rather than writing code line by line, the process known as vibe coding. As promised, I want to show you another option for making changes to your app as part of our refine step. Notice this Gemini Canvas toolbar. Let's explore what it can do for us. Let's start with this sparkle icon. This is the AI feature injector. It adds AI capabilities to your app. When you click it, Gemini analyzes your current app view and suggests smart components such as an AI search bar or text and image generation, and then it injects those elements directly into your app's logic. Let's ask Gemini to add AI features and see how it works. In the chat on the left, Gemini provides an overview of what AI features were added to the app. We can respond in the chat and ask Gemini to make additional changes. But first, let's try out these new features. Here is the magic feature number 2. We see that Gemini proposed a more healthy ingredient instead of the one that I just selected, but I don't have it right now, so I'll just click cancel and go ahead with these 3. Here is the AI wisdom card, pretty nice. And of course, let's try out how the audio narrator works.
Rise and shine. Today's mission is the sunny side spinach and avocado clouds. The iron-rich spinach paired with monounsaturated fats from avocado provides a clean energy boost that keep you feel nimble and refreshed.
Let's make a change to one of the features. Gemini confirms that the change has been made, so let's test it.
Take a deep breath and let's start the day. Your recipe today is the emerald cloud nest. The combination of iron-rich spinach and monounsaturated fats from avocado ensures a slow release of energy, keeping you feel light and airy.
Awesome, we just saw how Gemini has followed our instructions, and I suggest that we return to the Gemini Canvas toolbar and explore it further. The next icon here is the drag handle. It is used to move the toolbar so it doesn't block your app's navigation during testing. And there is also a third icon, the refinement tool, which tells Gemini to modify a specific element of your app. You may notice it is not visible here in our golden hour app. That's actually intentional. Gemini recognizes that this app has gone through enough iterations, so small automated edits could be risky. If it tries to tweak one element but misreads the context, it could break something else that depends on it. So it hides the icon as a protective measure. To demonstrate how the refinement tool works, let's switch to a simpler app I started building before recording this tutorial. I have only made a few iterations there, so the icon is available. Let's say that I want to change the color of this button. So I'm choosing Select and Ask, highlight this button, and type in my prompt. Suggest another color palette. Notice what happened here. Instead of changing just this button color, Gemini redesigned the whole app. Why is that? It turns out the word palette is the problem here. A color palette refers to the entire set of colors used across your app. So Gemini takes that literally and updates everything to match. It's not doing anything wrong. It's just following your instructions precisely. To change only the color of this button, you need to clearly describe the scope of the change. Let me show how. I'm selecting the button again and typing in another prompt. You see that my detailed prompt has worked, and this time Gemini applied the changes to the element that I indicated through the refinement tool. That is a really useful thing to keep in mind. The more specific your prompt, the more precise the result. Let's come back to our Golden Hour app. Now that we've covered how to refine and adjust your app, let's talk about what happens when you're happy with it. Step 4. Share. Once you are done, you can get a shareable link and send it to anyone. They can open and use the app directly in the browser. No downloads, no sign-ins, no technical setup on their end. They can even remix it. That's one of the features Google has built into Canvas. Someone can take your app, open it, and create their own version from it. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. And please share what apps you are working on in the Q&A section for this video. I would love to see what you are building.